Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Too early. Meryl. Many hours later. I just showered and did my makeup. I just wanted to be presentable before hopping on the vlog because you guys see me in a sweaty working out state enough, okay? Did my same everyday makeup. I'm wearing Gucci Peggy taupe on my lips. My sweater is Kahati and my jeans are A Goldie. Listen, tonight we are doing our Friendsgiving. We're having all of our friends come over. My brother is here staying with us for the weekend, for the long weekend. I made him go downstairs while I was talking to the vlog because I'm too embarrassed to vlog. But I'll get him in the camera later. So we've been busy prepping. Dan and I were up till like 12:30 a.m. We were cutting garlic and like cutting Brussels sprouts, cutting potatoes just so we could make the preparation of the Friendsgiving meal today much easier. So the turkey's looking supreme. She's a beaut and things are underway. So people will be arriving in about an hour. So I've just started putting some things in the oven and I'm gonna start cooking it all up. And we actually got a very exciting package in the mail to help us with our Friendsgiving preparations. And this portion of the video is very kindly sponsored by Maiden, which is an amazing, amazing brand with everything that you need for your kitchen, to cookware, bakeware, utensils, dishes, cleaning supplies for your dishes. They have absolutely everything and their products are made with the top of the line materials without the top of the line price, which is always the best. So they've actually sent us 2 pans today to help with our Friendsgiving preparations. We kept them new and shiny in the box for you to have the unboxing experience together. Dun, 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 dun. So in these 2 boxes, we've got the non-stick frying pan and we have the stainless steel frying pan. Restaurant quality, chef quality cookware, my good people. So this is the beautiful non-stick frying pan, non-toxic, which is very important. Listen, we recently moved into our new home and we've been taking steps and making moves to investing in better quality things that are going to last a lifetime, because I've gone through, oh my God, the non-stick pans, the amount of non-stick pans that I've gone through is actually embarrassing. And it always comes to that time where you're cooking something and it starts to peel off and you're like eating part of your pan. And I'm like, I'm certain that this is killing me, right? Like this is not what I should be ingesting. So this is non-toxic. And the amazing part about these pieces from Maiden, they have a lifetime warranty. So if anything goes wrong, you are covered. It's a lifetime warranty. What's really cool about Maiden is that a lot of their pieces are actually used in restaurants. One of them being Le Bernardin. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's in New York and it's been on me and Dan's bucket list. We've been to New York twice and we've actually tried to make a reservation there and we've missed it every time. Like you have to book it so far in advance. It is like the bougiest. I think actually a list just came out where it's in the top 50 restaurants in the world, which is insane. And they use Maiden cookware. So if literally the top 50 restaurants in the world use it and you could have it in your kitchen, listen, call me a professional chef, baby, okay? So excited, it's perfect size. They come in multiple sizes. This is the 10-inch. I believe they have 8, 10, and 12. Perfect medium-sized pan for my eggs that I make absolutely every single day. And then in the next box, we have the stainless steel frying pan. Look at how lovely that is. It has all of the information about the pan on the box. That is so cool. Is this the beginning of me opening my own breakfast cafe? Maybe. Welcome to Lance Cafe, everyone. I have professional stainless steel frying pans. Thank you so much. Maiden, this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And these are pieces that you can literally have for your entire life. If you take care of them properly, you gotta do the proper cleaning. Dan's been deep diving in how to take care of stainless steel frying pans. He's so cute. And Maiden actually sells a cleaner that you can use for it. But top of the line, restaurant grade, right here. My new Maiden pans. You guys, I'm officially a homesteader. Dan and I have been eyeing up the knives next. That's one thing we need to invest in because we've been buying shitty knives forever. And we need to get some good knives in our lives, and Maiden looks like they have incredible sets and we're so excited. So I'm gonna use my own code, but if you guys wanted to shop anything on the Maiden website, you can use the code Alana15 for 15% off of your purchase. We're getting old, people. It's time to invest in our kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna go fry some food up and I'm gonna get my Friendsgiving prepared and ready to go, and I'm excited to take you guys along for the festivities. Maiden, thank you so much. I will absolutely link to the website in the description box down below. And if you guys get anything, let me know what you pick up. And if you have invested in your cookware before, or if you're going to, using my Atlanta 15 code, let me know what you think I should buy. If there's anyone who's like made investments in certain pieces in the kitchen, please let me know what you have deemed worthy of investing in the comments below. I'd love to know. We are new to this home world. I am new to this like hosting world. But it's time for your girls to get some pans. And next up is some knives. Let's get to cooking. Good morning, everyone, on this beautiful, beautiful, very sunny day. Oh my goodness, Friendsgiving last night, absolute blast, absolute blur. We had so much fun. Everyone was over. Oh, it's just so nice. It was so nice. And honestly, everyone left so early. Everyone left by 10. It was crazy. But we were just cleaning up and had a nice slow morning, had a nice slow breakfast. My brother is here visiting and Dan's cousin stayed over as well. So we just chilled with them this morning, had coffee, had breakfast, and now we just got ready. We're gonna head downtown. My brother has never seen the city, so we're so lucky that it's a beautiful sunny day because we're excited to take him around and show him some spots downtown and just have a nice stroll. So that's our plan now. I know I didn't vlog much last night, but it was just eating and catching up with pals. So now we're gonna head downtown and hopefully have some more things to vlog. So let's rock. It steams. Hello friends. Oh my goodness, I have not talked the vlog at all. Today was such a blur. I just wanted to have a chat with you before I hit the sack for tonight, before I go to bed. First of all, what a weekend. For those who don't know, it was the long weekend here in Canada and it's our Thanksgiving weekend, and Dan and I took it upon ourselves to host both our family Thanksgiving and a Friendsgiving the next day. So on Friday night we had our family Thanksgiving and on Saturday night we had a Friendsgiving. And like leading up to the weekend, I was so stressed. I was stressing because I've just never cooked food or prepared food for that many people. And like, I know it sounds so ridiculous, but I was like losing sleep over not knowing like how to feed that many people. And I was like, I'm gonna run out of food. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. We also had work to do at the same time. And I was like, I'm going to combust with planning stress. It was so silly. But this is why I'm not an event planner. This is why that is not my field. But it was actually such a great weekend. We had so much fun. We had both me and Dan's families over on Friday night. And then Saturday night we had like all of our friends over. It was so great. And my brother was also here for the weekend, which you guys were so funny on Instagram about your messages with Riker. So many thirsty DMs to Riker. It was hilarious. Oh my gosh. He's the sweetest boy, and my dad's side of the family lives in Alberta. So I definitely don't see them very often, but it was so nice that Riker could be here for Thanksgiving, and it was so great. He's going to school nearby. And I hadn't seen him in 2 years. He's so old now. He's so old, and it was just really, really nice hanging out with the family and seeing all of our friends. And I was so quiet on social because just like running around like a chicken with my head cut off, like preparing food and just catching up with everybody, and it was great. And then on Sunday we took Riker downtown because he'd never been to see the city. He'd never been downtown, so we just had a little wander. It was a super nice day. And then Riker went home and Dan and I proceeded to have like, I don't know, like the exhaustion hit me today. We were laying on the couch, we were laying in bed, like I just felt so tired. I had 2 naps today, like thank goodness it's a stat. We just felt like the weekend caught up with us, like so much socializing that we're not necessarily used to. It was such a busy weekend. It was so nice. It was so nice. And we just kind of had a true rest day today. but we went and got some groceries. We cleaned up the house, like, you know, dealing with all the garbage and the bottles and things from the weekend, and just tidying up, getting our house back in order so that we can get back to work this week. But that was it. That was our long weekend. It was so lovely. I hope you all had a beautiful weekend. To my fellow Canadians, I hope you had a great long weekend. So tonight we got back from Costco. I just made this TikTok recipe. I made this protein brownie.
Here's the easiest way to make some healthier, tasty brownies. They are soft, fudgy.
Like, I'm sorry, will I get that 8-pack if I eat these brownies? Probably not. But I made these brownies. Can I link a TikTok? Yes, I can link a TikTok, right? I will link this in the description box, okay? I made these and just had one, and it was actually very delicious and delightful. So I've had a little tasty treat before heading to bed tonight, and we'll, you know, see what we get up to for the rest of the week. But we decided not to post the vlog on Monday just because it was so hectic. Like, I thought that I would vlog so much more over the weekend. Like, we wanted the Friendsgiving video to go live like on Monday, but I just can't vlog under stress. I'm incapable. I was like, you guys didn't want to see me in that state. And okay, seriously, I'm still sitting here on our little Thanksgiving table here. Look at these flowers. Look at these beautiful flowers. We bought these from Celsia Flowers, Celsia Florist, and a few, like, you know, amazing brands have sent me some beautiful bouquets, which is always so amazing. I love bouquets. I do. I love flowers. I wish that they didn't die as quickly as they do. That's why I love people getting really creative with the dried flower bouquets, because they never die. They live forever, and it's amazing. But when we were planning our lovely little weekend, we wanted to get some like seasonal bouquets or arrangements to have on the table, and I was like, this florist, they're in Kitsilano in Vancouver. I think they have another location, but we ordered their like seasonal bouquets, their little table cocktail, whatever they were called, cocktail arrangements or something. It's their smaller arrangements. They're definitely pricey, but look at this. Oh my God, when we went to pick them up, I was like squealing. The store is so cute, and the arrangements are just beautiful. Look at these. Oh my God, these were the little arrangements that we had on the table for our lovely little feasting weekend, and they come with these tiny little vases. They're so cute. Oh, shout out to Celsia Florist. Why can't I remember what it is? We'll just go with Celsia. Like, how stunning. How stunning. I don't want these to die. I don't want any, like, can I like spray hairspray on them? Can I like dip them in something? I just want this to live. It's the perfect seasonal bouquet. They're so beautiful. I just can't stop staring at them. Anyway, those were the flowers. Also, on the weekend, like, it was a lot of our friends' first time seeing our new home. So it was kind of like a housewarming and a Friendsgiving in one, which was really nice. It was so exciting having all our friends over, like truly playing host in our new home. But everyone brought like a sweet little gift, and we got some really, really nice things, which was so unexpected and so nice. But also everyone brought booze. Like, we have so much alcohol in our pantry, we actually don't know what to do with ourselves. And the reason why I'm saying this is A, ain't nothing wrong with a glass of wine, you know what I'm saying? But we are in dire need of like figuring out this archway situation, okay? We need to get some kind of cabinet, credenza, liquor storage, something here, because we're very concerned that all of the bottles are going to break our pantry shelf. We're probably gonna put it on the floor for now, but it's hilarious. Like, for 2 people living in this house, we have booze. We have enough booze to last a lifetime. So if anyone has seen any particular, you know, storage things that would look nice in an archway, we found a few. Honestly, Crate and Barrel has some really nice ones. LD Shop has some beautiful ones. Like, CB2 always has amazing ones, but you know, the shipping is so brutal. So brutal. Like, the timelines, the shipping timelines that are on websites right now are literally saying like March 2022. I'm like, what am I supposed to do with that? So would love some ideas. But let me just show you the booze situation. LOL. That's not even half of it. SOS. SOS to the pantry shelf. Anywho, friends, I think I'm going to, speaking of the booze, crack open a little bottle of bubbly to round off the evening. Yeah, and I just wanted to catch catch you guys up on the weekend because I felt like I hadn't done a proper little chat and said hello the whole weekend. So here we are. I'm gonna crack into this. I'm going to, hopefully, I would like to spend a good hour reading my book tonight. Still making my way through A Court of Silver Thorns, and there's too many, I can't remember. Yeah, the last book. The last book, you guys are telling me, listen, it started to get really spicy, okay? Last night I was like, oh, okay, the heat is picking up. So I would like to spend a solid hour cracking into that tonight. I'll let you know how deep I get into it in the morning, and I'll continue the vlog in the morning. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning. What was that? Oh, goodbye. What I look, wow, incredible. Pippi Land stalking at your service. Good morning. Good morning. Just been having a couple of email hours. We were playing catch up big time this morning. I just put a load of laundry in. That's probably what you can hear in the background, and I'm about to embark on a leg day. I wrote out a workout. I wrote out a couple of supersets. We'll see how much I actually get through. But it is cold this morning. I just put on a full sweatsuit. I need to get in the garage and get warmed up. I am freezing. Gonna do a good old leg day this morning and then hop to it. Good evening, everyone. The day was spent on our computers, as it must be that way. As it must be sometimes. You can't see me. I was hiding behind the pillow. Meryl's sitting here mewing. Wow. Wow. She is such a traitor for the last week. Has it been a week, love? How long has she been sleeping on your legs? It's been weeks, okay? She has been, this is my side of the bed. I'm a left side gal, okay? Dan takes the right, and Meryl sleeps. She's in the middle of us now, but it's a lie. It's all up front. She moves to his legs and sleeps there all night. Meryl, what happened to our love together? Come here. Good girl. This is where you belong. For those of you who've been watching the vlogs for a really long time, do you remember a period in Meryl and I's life where she used to sleep in my armpit every single night? She would fall asleep with her head in my armpit, and that was our life, and it was really cute. What happened to us, Meryl? What happened? Tell me. Anywho, I'm going to crack into this. We figured out the name. A Court of Silver Flames. I took the little front paper cover off. Can I also just say, this is a stupid comment, but I really do prefer paperback books to the hardcover. It's so massive and giant and heavy for me to hold up and read while I'm in bed. You know what I mean? And when I do this, my neck hurts. But at the time, it was only the hardcover that I could buy. But making my way through it, this is really cute. Ooh. Dan's aunt and his mom went to the Da Vinci exhibit, and she got me this little bookmark it's honestly very creepy. I was telling Dan I actually get scared and I have to hide her eyes so that she's not staring at me while I'm reading. It's really cute. And she obviously knew that I folded my pages and was a what do you call it? A child, and didn't use a bookmark. So, to Tetka, thank you kindly for this bookmark. And my good pals and gals, I'm going to bid you adieu and go to sleep. Just kidding. I'm going to dive into this smut. It's getting smuttier. Good night from Meryl and Dan and I. See you all very soon for a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye!